it's Annika and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I'm showing you guys different fall hairstyles and different fall outfits. I watched Annie Rose's fall hair and outfit ideas, I think it was. Also, I found a new store called Tilly's. Let me show you. I did a little shopping today and I found this shirt, so that's where that is from. And this whole entire outfit and hairdo is in the video if you guys want to see that. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first outfit, you'll need this Cali-like t-shirt from Tilly's along with these black overalls that are also from Tilly's. For hair, I didn't do anything too different. I just decided to keep my hair down and it was a little wavy anyway. And here is the final outfit. I think it's super casual. And you can still wear this to school as well if you'd like. For the next outfit, you will need this shirt from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I love it because it has a super cool skateboard design on the back. I also decided to pair it with these sweatpants that are from Old Navy. For my hair, I decided just to do a ponytail, so basically just gather your hair up into that ponytail form, and then I decided to take out some hair in the front to make it look a little bit more messy. Here's how it ended up looking in the end. This outfit is actually super duper comfortable and casual for those of you who like sleeping in and don't want to get up in the morning. For this next outfit, I decided to use these pants that are from Old Navy along with this shirt that has pandas on it and it's from Tilly. And then basically for my hair, I decided to part my hair down one side and then I started to do two braids. And for all of you guys who don't know how to French braid or Dutch braid, this is definitely the hairstyle for you because I am not good at those whatsoever. So I just decided to do two normal braids. So basically when you're done with the braids, just tie them off with a normal mini hair elastic. And I am so obsessed with how this turned out, but I decided to mess it up a little bit just to make it look a little bit cooler and more messy. Here is the final product for my hair and my outfit. So yeah, definitely check out Tilly's, and I love this shirt so much, and it goes with the braids so well. For the next outfit, you'll just need this jumpsuit, and that is from Old Navy. And for my hair, I just still love the braids, so I decided to keep it that way. And here's my dog Charlotte. Isn't she so cute? Anyways, guys, here is how that outfit turned out, and I am so obsessed with it, just like all the other outfits. I love all of these. For the next outfit, you will need this Like a Boss t-shirt, and it's from Old Navy, along with these pants, and they are from Gap. And then I also decided to use a plaid t-shirt to tie around my waist. So for the last hairstyle, what I decided to do was put my hair up in a half up, half down. So just put the sides up of your hair and tie it off with a hair elastic. This is probably the most comfortable one of all of these. And yeah, let me know which one was your favorite in the I button. That's all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to subscribe below and turn on post notifications. Make sure to check out Tilly's. No, this is not sponsored. I wish, because their clothing is awesome. I'll have their website linked below if you guys don't live near Tilly's, because they do have a website. I actually went to an outlet mall today with my mom and it was super fun. I actually found it and I was super curious as to what type of clothing they had. I went in and I found a lot of really good stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!